Hey guys! So, I have to be honest with you. I never thought I'd make $3,000 a month just by typing prompts into an AI tool. But here I am, and today, I'm handing you my exact blueprint for free. No gatekeeping, no fluff, just step by step. Here's what we'll cover: how to create AI prompt packs using free tools like DeepSeek, where to sell them, hint, zero fees, my weirdly effective promo strategy that takes 10 minutes a day. Oh, and if you want to skip the boring setup stuff, I've got a free Stan.store trial link in the description. It's how I launched my store in 15 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so AI prompt packs are basically cheat codes for creators. Imagine selling a digital recipe book, but instead of cookies, it's packed with prompts like 5-second hook to make viewers obsessed, script formula for viral shorts. My 50 YouTube script prompts pack sells for $27. And get this, I made it in 45 minutes while binge-watching Netflix. Why do these sell so well? Because every creator hates staring at a blank screen. Writer's block is real. Tools like DeepSeek and ChatGPT are exploding, but most people don't know how to use them strategically. That's where you come in. You're selling the solution to their frustration. And the best part? Once you create a pack, you can reuse it forever. This is passive income, people. Let's build a pack together. We'll focus on the money-making niche, because cha-ching, right? I'll type, generate 50 YouTube short script ideas for making money online. Format each with hook, 5 seconds, conflict, 10 seconds, solution, 5 seconds. Boom! DeepSeek just spat out 50 ideas. Now, let's refine them. Delete the duds, like this one about medieval money hacks. Unless you're targeting knights, maybe? Group them into categories. Side hustles, passive income, mindset tips. This makes your pack feel 10 times more valuable. Add a quick intro like, hey, use these prompts as templates. Tweak the numbers or niche to make them yours. Time to make this look pretty. Open Canva, yes, the free version works, and search ebook template. Delete the boring filler text. Now paste your prompts. Add some spice. Emojis in headers. 5-second hooks that convert. Bold key takeaways. Your logo. Mine's just a fancy font with my name. Export it as an interactive PDF, so the table of contents is clickable. This took me 12 minutes and looks like a $47 product. Pro tip: add a bonus AI tools checklist page to justify raising the price. Okay, here's my secret sauce. Stan.store. Zero fees, built-in affiliate tools, and you can set it up while your coffee's brewing. Click New Product, name it something catchy like 50 money-making shorts prompts, set the price to $27, and write a description like, tired of wasting hours brainstorming? Get 50 done-for-you scripts. Just copy, paste, and go viral. Boom! Your store is live. I've left my free trial link below so you can skip the boring setup stuff. You don't need 100,000 followers to sell these. Here's what works. One post, before-after shorts. Film yourself struggling to write a script, then cut to you using your prompt pack. Caption: saved 3 hours with this $27 cheat code. 2 Pinterest Magic Create pins titled 50 Free YouTube Prompts. Download now. But link to a free sample that upsells your paid pack. 3 Collab with micro-influencers. DM creators: hey, love your content. Want to earn 40% commissions promoting my prompt pack? Stan.store handles payouts automatically. Meet Sarah. She followed these steps and made $1,200 in 2 weeks. Here's her timeline. Day 1, created a side hustle scripts pack. Day 3, launched her Stan.store, used my trial link. Day 7, posted 3 TikToks showing her prompts in action. Day 14, hit $1,200. How? Because every creator needs ideas, and you're selling the shortcut. Your turn. Here's your homework. 1. Grab my free Stan.store trial, link below. 2. Create your first prompt pack. This week, 3. Tag me. I'll reshare my faves. Drop prompt in the comments so I know you're in. And subscribe. Next video, I'll show you how to scale to $10,000 a month with upsells and bundles. Go crush it. Bye.